Hi YouTube, how's it going? Howdy Partners. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of the DIY jean customizations that I have done over the past few weeks. One of the easiest ones you can do is bleaching your jeans, and we've all seen this on TikTok. Most of these are from TikTok, so this is for my fellows that don't have it. Go into your laundry room and get your bleach out. I assume you have it. If you don't, then it's really easy to get. And I'm just going to show you a few of the ones I've done. So the first pair is half bleached and half not bleached. If you're not like wanting to be super bold, another really easy thing you can do is just bleach the pockets of your jeans. I think I want to go over these pockets again. I don't really know, because right now they're kind of a greenish tint of bleach, which, I mean, it's cool, but I would rather have them be more of a whitish color. And on these pair as well, I kind of just smudged some bleach around in random spots. So I have a little bleach smudge there. If you're feeling real bold, you can bleach your entire pair of jeans to get white jeans, because I don't know about you, but whenever I find a pair of white jeans, they never really fit me right. They either just don't fit me right, don't complement me correctly, or they're kind of see-through. But these ones do not, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not bleach these myself. I got these at a store because obviously they are made to be like this, and these are the only white jeans that I could find that actually complement myself, that I like. But you could bleach your own jeans. That's what I'm getting across here. That was a long explanation that was not necessary. Moving away from bleaching, another really fun thing you can do is paint your jeans. And we've all heard of this because, you know, you can paint your pockets like a sunset. A bunch of people paint their pockets with a sunset. But another thing you can do is paint a bunch of little designs all over them. And I didn't really have a lot of paint at the time because I only had a few colors. But if you have a lot more colors, there's a lot more options you can do. I don't really love the designs I did on these, but they're still better than, well, I'm not even sure they're better than what they were before. But they're quirky and unique, so. A really easy one is just to add holes to your jeans. And the way that you do them at home, you never get like the stripes across, but I think it still looks really cool. On this pair, all these holes and stuff were already in there, but I just wanted to be a hoe. So I made them have a little butt pocket thing. I always say pocket. It's a butt hole. That sounds really weird. I don't know what to call it. If you have a pair of jeans that you don't really love, because we all have that pair of jeans that we don't really love, you can spice them up, pal. These jeans were kind of awkward because they're just a weird fit. Once stores start opening again, I want to go to like Joann's or something and get a bunch of tiny pieces of a bunch of different fabrics and make really cool patches, because these are just out of old jeans. Maybe one of the most obvious ones you can do is turn a pair of jeans into a pair of shorts. These were just a pair of skinny jeans that I found somewhere like in my house, and they were a little big, so I didn't love the fit, and honestly I just don't love skinny jeans. So I cut them into shorts. Originally I was trying to do this cool, like, how do you explain it? I left the bottoms on, so I cut them into shorts, and then I still had the tube of the jean on the bottom, and I connected the two, like the shorts with the tube, with an old belt, and it looked cool, but it wasn't really my style, and I kind of did it wrong, but I think that could be cool if I figured out how to do it right. To do the bleaching, all you're gonna need is a bottle of bleach. I've seen a lot of people get this kind, and I have this kind. Either work. Then you want masking tape. You want to tape all the areas that you don't want bleach to get on. Granted, it will probably seep through a little bit, so you have to kind of plan for that. But you just tape all the parts that you don't want tape to get on, and then take a sponge and stick it in the bleach and just wipe it down all over the jeans so it gets coated evenly, and then let it sit for a while. You can either let it sit for a few hours, or on darker jeans you can get a hair dryer and heat the bleach up, and then you want to take the tape off and put them in the washer and wash them out, and they will be very cool. To paint your jeans, all you're gonna need is a pair of jeans, and you want to get some permanent acrylic paint, I'm pretty sure is what it is. And depending on the paint you get, it may or may not come off in the washer. But that's kind of fun because then you can just keep repainting them. But I've seen people that paint their jeans and it doesn't come off in the wash, it just fades. But I'm sure there's a primer that you can get to put on top of it so it won't come off. To put holes in your jeans, all you need to do is get a pair of really sharp scissors and cut a tiny little slit, or if you want a big hole, I guess you can do that. But on these jeans, I just cut a slit right here and took a tiny divot so it made kind of an ovular shape. Once you cut the hole, then you want to go through and pull out strands of jean fabric. That way it just ends up getting this look, you know, the long frilly, these things. And you just pull those out, and then once you put the jeans in the washer machine, it will frill on the edges and it will look like a harsh hole. It'll look like it's meant to be there. That was a really bad explanation. There's a lot better ways of people that can explain this, I'm sorry. For these jeans, I had multiple other pairs of jean fabric that my mom just wasn't using, so I cut off pieces of jeans from other jeans. I made them into squares, and then I cut squares or rectangles in this pair, and then I put the jeans inside out and used fabric glue to glue in these patches because I don't really know how to sew and I don't have any equipment for it. So I just fabric glued it and it's working really well. It is not coming off. And then again, I pulled out the little strands. So get off your butt. I know you're sitting watching this video. Thank you. But get a pair of jeans that you want to improve, elevate, make look even cooler, and you can do it. So just put on a pair of old jeans or new jeans and make them look really epic. Alright, that is the conclusion of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate every single view I get on this channel. And I don't do it for the views, but it's always nice when people do watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to, so you can join the Kyah family. I am bringing the partner pal back. So, on my last video, my room tour, Catherine commented on my video, so thank you, Catherine. And if you want to possibly be my next video's partner pal, all you have to do is leave a comment to be shouted out. Have a swell day, and ha-yay.